I'm taking a controversial position on weight loss. Why? Because mainstream advice just doesn't work. It didn't work for me. Here's the problem. We've been counting calories and exercising more for decades now, and the result? Epic fail. Here's what doesn't work: counting calories, eating processed foods, cutting fat out of your diet, starving your body, exercising too much or exercising incorrectly, becoming unhealthy just to be thin, ignoring hormones, diet pills, feeling guilty. Here's what does work: finally understanding that excess weight is the symptom, not the problem. And you absolutely will not believe the simple switch you need to make to almost effortlessly begin gliding to your ideal body weight. You are the only thing missing from the live workshop that we do at Dream Body Fitness. So register for free on dreambodyfitness.co.za. So what do I mean by your weight being a symptom? A symptom is simply a sign that there's an underlying problem. For example, let's say you're dehydrated, so you get a headache. Dehydration is one of the major causes of headaches, by the way. So you take a pain pill, right? The headache, which is the symptom, goes away. But the underlying problem, dehydration, is not remedied. So the headache, although temporarily relieved, comes right back. This is the exact type of thing that results in yo-yo dieting. We lose some weight, but we have not addressed the underlying cause, so it comes right back, and this time with a vengeance. There's something that the DBF team have put together to help you. 1, discover the underlying cause of your weight and inflammation. 2, remedy the cause so the symptoms then magically disappear. In the example of your headache, let's imagine that you chose rehydration. Now that you've cured the cause, the symptom, which is the headache, magically disappears without any additional effort or treatment. Your body is a beautiful thing, and they'll be showing you exactly what to do to give it what it needs to function. You'll feel better, have more energy, and achieve and then maintain your ideal weight. So join me at dreambodyfitness.co.za.